Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how you're gonna use socioInc to grow your YouTube channel, to grow your YouTube video, to get more attention to your video. If you're a new YouTube user, this particular website is good for you. Like seriously, it is very good for you. So I try it, and if you try it, you can find the low cost, you can find high cost. It depends on how many viewers you want, how many followers that you needed to attend to your video, and with that, more and more, you will now start getting more viewers to your video. So guys, if you're a newcomer on my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and support me by hitting your like, or if you have any question, just drop it on the comment section and I will get back to you. In case if you want to install this particular you want to apply for this particular app and you search it on Google, you find so many apps that has to do with this particular socioInc. What you have to do, just drop a comment section on that or on my YouTube, then I will give you a link to stretch and get your own promotion key on this particular app. So right now, let's go to Google and search so that you can be able to know the particular one you're gonna use. Okay, so this is for example, if you want to search it, this is what you will see when you open it. You will see something like "make your video go viral" on the whole world. So you have to look it. So right now, I want to open another tab for us to search it. Okay, so let's search this. This is social. Okay, this is it here. Okay, this is it. It's already there for me. Yeah. So and now it's loading. Okay. So you see, it's the same thing I get before. So the same thing. So this is the particular one you're gonna use. Okay, so let's close one. Okay, let's close the old one. So right now, let's get started. If you're in this particular page, you can watch how it will function. These are the programs they have. We help many content creators. You can get 5,000 plus 8,000 campaigns generated. Total viewers 346 millions plus. Okay, that's all you can get from here. Okay, delivered. So in this particular place, you can still find more interested thing that you wanna do. You can continue your companion now. Okay, but let's go and sign up. Let's go and let's get started. Okay, click started. It's coming is low connection. So if you have not signed in before, you click on sign up. Okay, and put on your email and password, then confirm your password and accept. Okay, accept this, then you sign up. When you sign up, they will now give you a message. Okay, if you have signed in already, maybe if you're a friend to them, what you have to do is to click on your email and press on your password. Okay, accept this. Okay, click it. Okay, my password and okay, so login successful. YouTube promotion. Okay, YouTube promotion, raise viewers, raise results. Okay, drive raise viewers to your YouTube videos. You see, so right now here you can get so many standard that you want to buy to promote. Okay, you can get YouTube standard, you can get YouTube Prime, you can get YouTube professional. Okay, professional is $169. every month. It's by monthly. Okay, you can get started with that, and 600 and something likes and 25,000 viewers of photos and videos. So here you can get 250 video likes and 10,000 video viewers. Here you can get 5,000 videos, 1,500, and here you can get only 1,500 viewers. Okay, only 1,000 viewers with YouTube Basic. Okay, this is standard, this is prime. Okay, and there are many. There are also many that it depends on what you want to do. Okay, it all depends on what you want to do. Okay, now this is my own. This is what I ordered, but I stopped it because I have another continuous shipping working on my own. So I have already promoted this, so I decided to stop for the moment and wait for it to I post it. Okay, so right now I just want to use this to show you how you're gonna use it in case if you're interested in this particular app. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, just kindly do that subscription right now. Okay, press the subscribe and hit the ring bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you get notification. Okay, so proceed check out. Okay, so right now, if you want to pay with PayPal, you want to pay with credit card, whatever you want to pay with, okay, you can do this. Okay, so if you want to use credit card, you can click on credit card and purchase. If you want to use PayPal, you can click PayPal and also put the accept the rules. Okay, click and then purchase. Okay, so you now put on your your email of your paper. Okay, so you have to bear with me. I have to put my paper right now. So after that, you forward. Okay, purchase. Then now put on your password. Okay. So guys, so you can see after that you press forward, right? Then if you want to buy it, you now put on your password and log in. That is it, log in. Okay, so when you now put on your password, then you log in, and you now pay the money on $9 US. Okay, you now pay $9. So that is it. I don't want to buy it because I have already promoted my video in the same place. So if this video really helped you, please kindly give me a like and share the video. Please drop a comment below there and keep on. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the ring bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you get notification. Thank you guys.